Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Vlamenos. Today we are going to do a hero spotlight for Ulua so you can decide if it is worth to build here for your account. Ulua is a necrotic support that she can offer accuracy penalty 2 and she can dispel buffs. Let's check her skills together. Her ultimate deals 300% attack necrotic damage to enemies within range with 100% chance of inflicting accuracy penalty 2 for 10 seconds. Her battle skills deals 200% attack necrotic damage to one enemy with 100% chance of dispelling one buff. Her passive heals an ally by 220% of her attack when she is dealing damage with her skills, and she also provides with an accuracy aura for all battles. As you can understand, it is not worth to build her as a damage dealer. Her multipliers are too low on both of her skills. The way I build her is with enough accuracy to apply debuffs and dispel buffs. The reason that I built here is because I wanted to replace Vores from a team that I use in the Otherworld exploration to fight Thelendor, and as I was hoping she did the job. I will link the video with the fight on Thelendor on the description below. Another dungeon that we can use here is the Ancient Battlefield, and maybe on the final boss, Copper Dragon. Unfortunately, we are going to do stage 8 because I don't have a decent healer on Necrosis and Frost. That's why we are going to use Hexandra.
In that precious instant, exiled between love
As you can
and
see,
death.
Hexandra has only
I saw so
145
much more.
resistance, and that's not enough to resist a stun. But because of Ulua, after the first stun, I will have a smooth run because of the accuracy penalty 2 and her battle skill that remove buffs. If you want to build the same teams, here are the timers that you need to set up. Enjoy the run and see you on the next.